In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to track workload in Smartsheet so you can monitor team capacity, balance assignments, and prevent team members from becoming overloaded. First, open your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure your tasks are assigned to team members using a contact list column and that each task includes start and end dates. Accurate assignments and schedules are important because workload tracking relies on this information. Next, open the resource management or workload tracking area available in your Smartsheet environment. From there, select the option to view workload or team capacity. Smartsheet will display the tasks currently assigned to each team member and calculate their workload based on the assigned work and project schedules. Review the workload view to see how work is distributed across your team. You can identify employees who are over-allocated, underutilized, or approaching capacity limits. To view more details, click on an individual team member's name. This will open a detailed schedule showing their assigned tasks, timelines, and upcoming workload. Use this information to determine whether tasks need to be reassigned or rescheduled. If one person has too much work assigned, move some tasks to other available team members to create a more balanced workload. Continue monitoring workload regularly as projects progress and assignments change. Keeping workloads balanced helps improve productivity, reduce bottlenecks, and ensure projects stay on schedule. That's it. You've successfully learned how to track workload in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.